Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Farm Factory Tycoon. So first we need to get the chicken farm, and we need to get new production line. Oh, where are my eggs? Oh, let's see how much money. 22 bucks, that's a lot of money. What? You kinda missed the basket. Robux. Ooh, free 10 gems. Oh man, I want more. Now we need to go to here. There we go. Now I need to pick up this box with all the eggs in here. There we go. So now I just got money, a lot of money. So now this one makes me more money. Now, what's over here? What's this place? Right over here. What do you do here? Oh, upgrade. Oh. So now I make 9K. That's like so much that I need. Dang. 327 already. So nice money. Can I put that box down, please? Thank you. Okay. So now that we got more money, we need to upgrade it more, like that. So after we upgrade it, we need to get more money, so then I can upgrade it again, and again, and again. Let's just say we have to upgrade it a ton. There you go. Now after that money, I upgrade it again. I think if you get it to the 6 levels, you get a star. I don't know actually, because I've never played this game. I don't know how I would know. I'm just taking a wild guess to say that. So let's just sit here for just a little while. Okay guys, so now that I got a 1K monies, I probably can upgrade this 2 times now. Yes! See, look, now I'm at a star. So now give me my money. I need your money. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I just got 2K. That's a lot of money. Need more money. Oh my gosh, I just got the 2 stars. Now I make $123 per second. That's so good. Like, that's a bussin' good. And I don't know why I said that, because no one says it no more, but I say it still, so beat that. What's this over here? There's another place. Get 0 cash every 5 minutes. That's sad. Oh man. So what do I need to do? Spend 13K cash, get one factory to reach 1 animal. Play for 6 minutes. Oh, that's almost done. Oh my gosh. Okay. Level it up. Like usual. What's this? Ooh, collect. More money. Now I need to do this. Now I need to do this. Do this. Ooh. I'm at 3 stars now. Ooh. Can I get my cow farm? Oh, spend 13K cash. This is so close to being done. 1 free spin. Come on. Gems, gems, gems. I mean, that's some gems right there. I want gems. Oh my gosh. Once that's done, I get so much money. Oh, I need a cow production line. Oh man. I want to get it. So I need to finish this entire thing, and then I can get the cow production line. That's so long. do people beat this game? As you can tell, I have this as 4 stars, which is really good. And I almost get my 400k hat, like whatever you want to call it. 6 minutes away, blah blah blah. I don't care about that stuff. I just want that money right there. 2 gems. I shouldn't have done that, but I did. Oh, reset. There's multiple stages of this thing. Upgrade it. A ton. Ooh, another egg. Oh. I think that's done. Oh. That was a ton of money. That's okay, it says it's max now. That's good, right? I just already ran out of money. How do I already run out of money? I literally had $400,000 and I ran out in like 2 seconds. That does not make any sense. There we go. I upgraded again and again. Eat chickens. Let's just sit here for a little while. Okay, guys, so we're back. Kind of got like $500,000. Don't ask how, but I did. And now I upgrade it. Reset. Upgrade it again. And now, so that makes 1k per second. This one makes another 1k per second. But if I upgrade that like one more time, then that's a lot more money. Ooh, gems, gems, gems. Yes. Yes. I got more gems. Let's upgrade this because I need money. There we go. So I make $1 million now from that. Let me upgrade this some more. There we go. Now we grab this again. Do that. Now I do this. I want that $200,000. You do this. Do this. Do this. Come on. And then we just keep doing that over and over. I'm back. And there's a new spin the wheel. Let's come on. Give me gems. 3 million. Okay, that's good. And now since I have 5 million here, I think I have 8 million. I hope. But it ain't. This is what I mean by hitboxes, bro. Okay, thank you. Okay, now they make those gems. Now I have $8 million. Spam this. Give me upgraded. Oh. I ran out of money. So I'm already at $1 million. I make quite a lot of money now. That egg gives me a lot of money, that guy over there. I need to upgrade that some more pretty soon. Because it's kind of bad just keep on making that much money only. Oh, that's $1 trillion. Give me my money. Thank you. Reset. Come on. Fast. Upgrade it. Oh, too late now. Here's your... Thank you. Okay. There's your eggs person. I want to get, like, whatever is here. I think it's the cow farm next. I don't know what's here, though. I watched some YouTubers play this, and I got bored after a while from it, but I remember seeing them have, like, a cow farm here. But not the last one, because that's, like, hard to get to. Yes, I watch your YouTube, and I am a YouTuber, so that makes so much sense. Boop. thing. That thing gives me just not a lot of money, but a lot of money at the same exact time. Like, it would be a lot of money for a person not like me. But, because I need to another million just to upgrade this once. What the? I don't. That totally was worth the diamond. Totally wanted that. I would have had $16 million, but that didn't make I didn't get that much. Keep running. 10 diamonds for that. That's so much. Why so expensive? I'm gonna go check on. Oh, uh, how did this person actually max out all of these? No way. How does someone max out all those? Uh, like, how? That person's good. Not compared to me. I garbage. Bruh. Bruh. Um. You. Give me my. Bruh, it did. Okay. Another reset. I swear, if there's another reset after this. Ooh, money. Times 10. I got money. Barely any now. How much money will this give me? 2 million? Hey, might as well. Money. Money, money, money. Climb my house. Climb it. I'm gonna spy my neighbor. Yeah. Yeah, boy. He has 2 cows and max chickens in a house, and whatever that is, he does not have that for some reason. Oh, now I don't have fast speed. Oh, man. Okay, give me my money. 4 seconds. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come on. 25 diamonds. Okay, thank God. I still got the diamonds. You know, let's just spin the wheel again. Oh, 10 diamonds again. Spin the wheel again. Oh, I hate when that happens. Okay. I have no more diamonds. Um, let's upgrade this a ton. Oh, I was so close. Come on, you dumb chicken. Ooh, 5 million bucks. Upgrade it. Yasa. Try this again. Oh. Okay, there we go. One more. My money. Come on. A countdown. One. Another reset. Are you serious right now, bro? Ooh, another spin the wheel. Money, money, money. Gems. I got the worst amount of money. I just spent 5 diamonds to get the worst amount of money. That's what you call a scam. A big scam. A big fat scam. This game's scamming me. It's not nice. Thank you, chicken. Money. I've only upgraded it 7 times and it's already better than the 25 and the other 25. This one only does 1K, this one does 28K, this one does 41K. That's good. So now I'm making a ton of money. Okay, I'm kind of mad about that because that's a lot of money. I really wish I had that money in real life, but I don't, which is sad. And I don't like how that's sad. This game's a scam. You spend hours of your life grinding for money, and then you just get scammed from a wheel. You better start making me more money. But I need to earn that much this is allowed. But this is so expensive. Okay, let's just keep making money. I really wish you could donate money. Like, I want people. Oh, there's someone donating. Ooh, don't. There's obbies in this game. What? Oh. Oh, I'm definitely gonna complete the red one. I think the red one's the easiest. Yeah, the red one's definitely the easiest. Let's complete the red one. What the? Oh, I know what you do. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought that's a checkpoint. Don't ask how I thought that was a checkpoint, because I don't know. Oh, my. Okay, this is annoying. Thank God I have the speed boost. Okay. How did I miss that? It's the biggest one and I missed it. How did I miss that? Oh my. I need that money from it. How do I miss these things? Who? Okay, this is just. Okay, you know what? Let's go to this one. I don't think this parkour is possible. I don't think spamming it works. I didn't even touch it that time. Bro, I don't even touch it, but it murders me. Bro, I didn't even touch it. Okay, now let's go to this one. This one I think is the easiest. Okay, this game's a scammer for parkour. And I don't even know how that's a thing. They made it possible. Oh. I just don't even know how I just did that. I just ran out of speed. I didn't even touch it. Okay, let's try getting this money. Let's keep trying. I didn't complete it. Let's go back. All the way back to my place. Zoom. Right here. I made 34 million. That's totally a number. How much seconds are left? 34, okay. That's not a lucky spin. It says that it's a lucky spin when it's not. It's a very unlucky spin. I'm so close. I can't even get that premium egg. 16 seconds, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. 25, come on. That's not 25 gems. That's $1 million. It's totally what I wanted. I finally maxed it out. Oh, and we have enough money, just enough. You graduated. So this is the baby, this is the kid, this is the teenager, and this is the you graduating. Okay. How much do you already make 13K? Dang. I only upgraded you once. You don't have to make that much money. I mean, I'm okay with it. Ooh, gems. You know what? Let's go for the scam wheel. 5 gems. Oh my god, I just got my money back. $12 million. That's totally really good. Let's go back. Here's your money truck. Ooh, I have enough money for the next area. Like I said, I'm gonna be upgrading them barely any. Now I complete another quest. Scammy wheel time. But no. 31 million, that's totally good. Okay, that's 320. Don't ask why I made that sound. $62 trillion? Need to get a builder's permit too. Bruh. Thanks for the money though. I don't want to get a builder's permit. I don't need one. It's my property. This is all my property. Why do I need a builder's permit on my own property? If you made it this far into the video, comment like so I know who made it this far into the video. Okay, how much time's left? 2 minutes. What's this? Oh. Can't even afford it because I have 0 gems because of scammy wheel. But, yeah. I just reset that. That was kind of a dumb idea, resetting that. We now have to get a ton more money to upgrade it. This should be making more money than that. Well, that is max, never mind. Okay. This wheel almost done, 1 minute left. So long. Okay, level 11. Okay, let's just wait here until it's done. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. 25 gems. Or $26 million. Okay, guys, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you like it. And just wait. And I hope you liked it. And yeah, bye bye. Yeah, bye bye.